Hi, I just got my new Dell XPS 9510 laptop, which I ordered a couple of weeks ago from the Dell official website. I'm really excited about this laptop. Let's check out what's inside. This has been the laptop I have been looking forward to since a couple of months. And I paid this laptop $2,849 after 25% discount. It's wow. The packaging looks quite impressive. It's beautifully packaged. Wow, look at that. Wow. It's not so heavy. It's light. The plastic seems so smooth. I can feel it. It's so smooth. So what else is in the box? It's a small piece of literature, the cable, adapter, and a power brick with the cable. Yeah, that's it. And what a beautiful box it is. Yeah, it has a magnet in it. Wow. So let's open the baby. Look at that. These are the Thunderbolt 4 ports, and at the other side you can see the USB port, headphone jack, and SD card slot. So, wow, what a beautiful design. And these are the speakers, touchpad. Let's turn it on. I can see the black lid. It's now almost ready. The laptop is all ready to go. The screen looks really beautiful. It's a 15.6 inches screen. It's not a touch screen, and it's full SD screen. Let's just quickly look at the system information. It should be Intel i7 processor, 11th gen. Yeah, I can see that. It's 11th gen Intel Core i7, 2.3 GHz processor with 16 GB of RAM, 64-bit operating system. So now let's check the processor through the task manager. Yeah, I can see it has 8 cores and base speed is 2.3 GHz, 11th gen iCore. Yeah, it says NVIDIA Studio driver, GeForce RTX 350 Ti laptop GPU. And let's check out the SSD. It should be 1 TB. Yeah, it says that's 884 GB of free space. The remaining of the SSD, the operating system takes it. It's obvious. Initially, I'm quite impressed with the laptop. I look forward to getting the most out of the laptop. Thanks for watching.